We cannot avoid sunburn no matter how much protection we take all through our life. We may wear full-sleeves shirts, we may apply sunscreen, and we may use umbrella and sunglasses. In spite of that, our skin burns by sun naturally. Sunburn makes our skin dark, rough and wrinkled. Sunburn destroys the epidermis or outermost layer of the skin and damages the texture of the skin. Too much sunburn can make sores on your skin. There are various creams and lotions available in the market that may help you to get rid of sunburn. But, there are natural remedies also which are less expensive and suitable for all types of skin. This article will give you a few tips on how to get rid of sunburn naturally. Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe vera has soothing and healing properties. It is very good for the skin. It takes the redness out of sunburn. It also helps in constricting blood vessels, thus minimizing any pain associated with sunburn. Take some chilled aloe vera gel and apply on the affected area. Let the gel stay on skin for half an hour. After that, wash with cold water. Apply aloe vera gel only during night. Aloe vera has photosynthetic property, so it will absorb sun rays, if applied during day, thus delaying the process of healing.
Baking soda. Baking soda is very effective in treating sunburn. Take 2-3 spoons of baking soda in water and soak your body in for 15 minutes. After that, let the water dry off from the body naturally and do not wipe with towel. You will find a marked difference in your skin. It will heal fast.
Turmeric and curd. Curd has soothing property. It is acidic in nature and hence proves effective in curing sunburn. Take 2-3 spoons of thick and sour curd and add a pinch of turmeric to it. Turmeric acts as antiseptic. Also, add a few drops of lemon juice to it. Apply this paste regularly. Wash off after it dries off. A regular application will heal the skin and keep it soft and supple.
Cool compress. Put a spoon of oatmeal in a muslin cloth and make a small bag out of it. Dip the bag in cool water and squeeze out excess water. Put this bag on the affected area for a couple of minutes. Again, dip the bag in cool water and apply on affected area. Repeat this process several times a day and you will feel relief from sunburn within a few days.
Lemon and tomato. Both lemon and tomato are acidic in nature and work well to cure sunburn. Make a puree of a tomato and add 2 spoons of lemon juice to it. Apply the mixture on the sunburned skin and leave for 20 minutes. Wash with cool water. The mixture will treat sunburn in some days.
Keep hydrated. As a result of excessive sun exposure, your skin gets dehydrated and it loses water. As a result of dehydration, your skin tends to dry out and appears scaly. Keep your body hydrated by drinking lots of water and fresh fruit juices. Hydrated skin also looks fresh and supple. Hydrated skin helps in curing sunburn faster.
Raw potato juice. Raw potato juice proves effective in curing sunburn. Grate a raw potato and squeeze out its juice. To the juice of raw potato, add a few drops of lemon. Apply on the affected area and let it sit till the juice dries off. Wash with cool water. A regular application for a fortnight will help in relieving sunburn.
Cornstarch. Cornstarch helps in soothing skin. There are many areas on our body which suffer most due to sunburn. These areas are bra straps, bikini lines, buttocks and armpits. Cornstarch is a better option than perfumed talcum powders that might itch skin further. Just smear enough cornstarch on sunburned areas. The burning sensation will vanish after a few applications. Do not apply petroleum jelly on sunburned areas as they clog the pores.
Avoid soap. If you are suffering from sunburn, avoid soap. If you must use, go for an ultra-mild soap. Also, do not use scrub or loofah. Be very gentle to your skin. Go for a shower or a tub bath. Do not spend a long time in water, as this will further dry your skin and in turn increase peeling and itching.
Moisturize. Do not let your skin dry out as it will cause itching and peeling. Apply a good refrigerated moisturizer. You can use fresh cream to keep your skin moisturized. Apply moisturizer on the affected area several times a day.
Raw milk, lemon and turmeric. Raw milk has properties to cure sunburn. Lemon is acidic and removes dead skin. Turmeric acts as an antiseptic. In 2-3 spoons of raw milk, add a few drops of lemon and a pinch of turmeric. Apply this mixture on the affected area for 15 minutes and afterwards, wash with cool water. Apply a moisturizer after patting skin dry. It will cure sun.
Coconut oil and lemon juice. Take 2-3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil is excellent for skin which moisturizes, nourishes and hydrates the skin. Now squeeze 1 lemon in it. Mix properly. Lemon is acidic naturally and it helps to bleach your skin naturally. Massage this lemon juice mixed coconut oil on your skin every day at least 30-40 minutes before you go to take bath. Everyday application of this product helps to cure sunburn.
Chilled milk and baking soda. Take 1/2 cup of chilled milk and add pinch of baking soda in it. Mix well and massage this on your burned skin. Do not wash your skin immediately after applying the milk. Wait for some time so that your skin absorbs the milk. Baking soda bleaches the skin and milk nourishes the skin and improves the texture of the skin. Practice this method daily on your skin to remove burned skin.
Cucumber and turmeric paste. Grind 1 cucumber to paste. Cucumber is a cool substance which makes your skin cool and protects it from getting burned. Turmeric paste is also excellent for skin and saves your skin from getting damaged. Moreover, it improves the skin texture and makes it fair. Mix cucumber paste and turmeric paste and mix well. Apply a thick layer of this mixed paste on your burned skin. Leave it till it gets dry. Practice this method at least twice in a week and soon get rid of sunburn.
Yogurt and honey. Mix yogurt and honey and apply it on your burned skin. Yogurt is acidic and it bleaches your skin, whereas anti-aging property of honey helps you from getting wrinkled. Massage this mixture every day on your skin at least 20-25 minutes before taking bath. You will get benefit. Follow these tips according to the instructions and soon get rid of sunburn. But, if the problem persists, immediately consult a skin specialist.
Plantain. Plantain is a very commonly found weed which is used very effectively as a herbal remedy for sunburns. The main components of plantain are lanolin and glucidocumin, which help in healing the tissues of the skin burned due to overexposure to the rays of the sun. Plantain is also very effective in reducing the swelling in the area of the skin affected by sunburn, due to presence of 2 main chemical compounds, vitamin C and caffeic acid. All these properties of plantain help in providing immediate relief in cases of sunburn and other burn wounds. Plantain is best effective when applied in form of fresh poultice.
Caligula. Caligula has been used traditionally since ancient times to treat various types of skin burns, sunburns, cuts, bruises etc. Caligula helps in reducing the inflammation caused by the burned skin tissues and provides an immediate cooling and soothing effect. It also helps in fighting against the bacterial and fungal infections, thereby helping in prevention of infections in the body caused due to sunburns. Caligula can be applied on the irritated skin in form of creams, salves, sunblocks, tincture, poultice etc., to get relief from sunburn.
Echinacea. Echinacea is yet another very popular herbal remedy used for sunburns. Echinacea not only helps in preventing the inflammation of the skin caused by sunburn but also helps in stimulating the skin burn to heal rapidly. This herb helps in blocking the sensation of pain caused due to sunburned tissues and encourages the skin to rejuvenate faster. Echinacea is also a very good naturally found antiseptic and can be applied on sunburned skin to prevent further infection. Echinacea is an important ingredient of many sunblocks and creams used to protect the skin against sunburns.
Witch Hazel. Witch Hazel is very famous for curing sunburns. Witch Hazel is rich in astringent properties, which helps in providing a cooling effect to the skin tissues. It also helps in reducing the inflammation of the skin caused due to sunburn. Witch Hazel is also very effective in bringing down the swelling and puffiness of the sunburned skin, thereby decreasing the skin irritation. Witch Hazel can be easily found and can be used by people of all categories, as it is very inexpensive. Witch Hazel is readily available in the market in form of salves, lotions, gels etc.
St. Johns Wort. St. Johns Wort is also a very powerful and effective herbal remedy used for treating sunburn cases. This herb is very useful in reducing the inflammation of the skin tissues and provides a soothing effect to the sunburned area. St. Johns Wort also stimulates the tissues of the skin to heal faster and repair the damage to the skin caused by overexposure to sun rays. This herb is also very effective in providing relief against burning pain caused by sunburns. St. Johns Wort can be applied to the sunburned area in form of poultice, cream, lotion, herbal bath, etc.
Chickweed. Chickweed is a very popular herbal remedy to treat sunburns and other wounds. Chickweed provides an immediate cooling effect on the skin inflamed due to sunburn. This herbal remedy helps in providing relief to dry and itchy skin, which is a very common side effect of sunburn. Chickweed is rich in vitamin B, which is very useful for the skin and helps in soothing irritation of the skin caused by sunburns. Chickweed can be applied directly to the sunburned area by grinding it into a paste. Alternatively, it can also be applied in form of poultice, salve, etc.
Lavender. Lavender is yet another very important herbal remedy in cases of sunburn. Lavender is known for its property of soothing inflammations of the skin tissues caused due to sunburn. It is also a natural antiseptic and can be applied to sunburned skin to provide immediate relief. Lavender also helps in providing immediate relief from pain and helps in relaxing a person who has suffered sunburn. Lavender can be applied on the sunburned skin in form of oil, creams, gels, lotions, etc. Sunburned skin can also be bathed with water containing lavender extract or oil, to provide immediate relief.
Green tea. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties which are good for overall health. Take some green tea bags and boil them. Place a tea bag in the refrigerator to cool and gently applying the chilled green tea bag on the affected area. This reduces the pain and soothes the skin. It can be useful in both mild and severe cases. It is considered to be the best home treatment for sunburns and easily accessible to all. It can help to take the sting out of the sunburn. All the above-mentioned home treatments for sunburn are quite effective and easy to use. These treatments are safe and can be applied without much hassle. You can try these home treatments without any fear and surely get the best results. Apply watermelon. Applying watermelon works wonders in treating sunburns. Sculpt out the watermelon meat and apply the juice or the meat of the watermelon directly on the sunburn-affected areas. Once you apply it gently, you will soon see that the pain has gone completely. Apart from reducing the pain, watermelon also has protein and essential vitamins to keep the skin healthy and glowing.
Oatmeal soak. Prepare a cool water soak to which you can add a cup of grounded oatmeal. This is known for the soothing properties that will definitely help you in treating and soothing the sunburns. The idea is to use it at least once every day for immediate relief from the discomfort of sunburn.
Mint concoction. Prepare a peppermint tea or else take some lukewarm water and add some drops of peppermint essential oil to it. Now use this water to rinse the sunburned areas. The soothing and cooling properties of mint will give you good relief from the burning sensation and treat the inflammation. This should only be done once the concoction is chilled in the refrigerator.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe for more videos. Bye!